Mustang to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics, and this one's a nice one. 1969 Ford Mustang Sports Roof, or Fastback. This particular car has a luxury interior, bucket seats, 351 Windsor underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, also nicely equipped. And yes, Acapulco blue. That is the original paint code of 6 on the door tag. You'll be able to check out the door tag, the VIN, interior pics underneath the hood. Check those pics out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, chrome, chin spoiler, grill, bright work on the front, good shape. This car was recently restored and it shows. Take a look at the paint, the finish on this car. Looks as good in person as it does in the video and the pictures. I really haven't noticed much for any real major blemishes, nicks, dings, scratches on this one. Fun one to get in, turn the key, drive, go have some fun. Now, as far as the interior, again, the black vinyl, it does have the, I believe these were called the high back with the comfort weave is what it would have been, seats, which was more on the luxury side of things when it came to the Mustang. This particular car does have the automatic with center console, has the JVC aftermarket stereo added to it. Take a look at the dash, nice shape, and we'll get around to the driver's side, open it up, check it out a little closer. Over 100 pictures of this car online, so you'll be able to look at the interior, back seats, front seats. Check out the underside of this car also. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see how straight the car is. Of course, the louvers, which are a great look on this car. Also wanted you to take a peek in the trunk. So I did leave that open. You can see how it's been finished off. Each of the rear quarters. So I'll let you know there is not a full-size spare in there. And again, an original Acapulco blue. There is a Marty report available with this from the previous owner, FYI. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email if you'd like to see that. Take a look at the correct dual exhaust, chrome bumper on the rear, also shows well. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Up and down the driver's side here, you can also see how straight it is. And walking around it, like I said, you just do not notice much for nicks, dings, scratches. All right, let's take a little closer peek at this interior. Door panels, appears stock. Of course, here's the door tag intact. That will be in the still pictures. Be able to compare that with the actual VIN plate also. Pictures of both of those. I do have a floor mat thrown down over the original, or I should say the carpeting in the car. Not necessarily original after restoration, but you'll be able to see the carpeting and the still pictures underneath the floor mats. Of course, this would have the 2 receiver ends for the seat belts, because you're going to have one for the lap down here, and of course one for the shoulder back here. And as you can see, seats vinyl, free of rips, tears, holes. Wooden steering wheel added. Take a look at the top of the dash, also in nice shape. Headliner not sagging. All right, let's fire this up. Remember, 351 Windsor paired with the automatic transmission. As you can see, fuel gauge is moving. There's fuel gauge is working. That was a cold start, so I don't expect the temperature to go anywhere. Odometer shows 14,218. Can't confirm if that was, rolled over, what have you, but with the restoration, This car's probably as nice as it would have been when it's new. There's oil pressure over here. Sorry, I'm getting a little glare from the lighting off those gauge lenses. There's your oil pressure. Stereo system with Bluetooth capabilities, and they click that on so you can see it work. So yes, it is in working order. What a nice sounding car. The other thing I did notice that worked on this one is the wipers, of course, and take a look out there at the blinker indicators in the hood. Alright. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Oh, this one will turn some heads. The looks and the sound. And you gotta love that fastback look in a 69. Alright, slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and take a look at that 351 underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is. First of all, underneath the hood, looking good there. Now, take a look at that 351 V8 power. And look, again, remember, power steering and power brakes. So nicely equipped car. Great looking engine bay. Go ahead and open up that hood at any of your local shows, local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Don't have to be embarrassed how this one looks. Hood up, hood down. Nice looking, nice sounding car. And looking very original the way it would have came back in 1969. Ford Mustang Fastback or Sports Group. Acapulco Blue. 351 Windsor and an automatic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.